now, Botany Bay, mate. Doing a bit of driving. Beautiful day for it out here, I'll tell you that much, mate. Blue skies, the whole lot. Very soon we're going to be doing the fishing adventures. So I'll get back to you straight after the break. And yeah, you'll be in contact with us. You can see the boat is currently on the ball. You can see we're flying. I have no idea how fast we're going, but I have to say it's fast.
Okay, this is about as quiet as we're going to get him.
Fact.
Fact? De facto.
What fish?
About as quiet as we're going to get you, I was just saying.
Oh, there's a fish.
No fish, go back to sleep.
Where's my water?
This is Eskimo Joe.
In the middle of the bloody ocean.
Αυτοί που είστε συγκεκριτάδες μας που να φύγουμε τώρα και...
Guys, down here again with DJ Giorgio. We're doing some fishing adventures. So ο Θεός είπε τώρα τσίμπησε. I thought he said τώρα ξύπνησε, but I wasn't sure what he said. It was one of the two. I'm so hungry. What's the time now? It's about 10 o'clock, you know. I'm thinking maybe a barbecue, a steak, but I had to deal with this protein bar. Yeah, so this is gonna have to do. Down here with the boys, have a look. Yeah, there's George again. And I don't know if you can see him. Oh, there we go. There he is. There's Theo.
Συνέβη τώρα πρόσφατα ή το έχεις πολύ καιρό αυτό?
And Chris is here as well.
Yeah.
Alright, guys. So we're just waiting now. We'll have a look.
εδώ και καιρό αυτό.
I was thinking about it for ages. So there are all the rods, as you can see.
Δεν πιστεύω να είναι
but-
πολιτικό,
Is it contagious? It is. Son, it's contagious. Guys, you know what? I'm looking at my head. I think I've got sunburn. Shit.
What a head.
What a head. What a head. What a head. Alright, guys, down here, fishing adventures. Oh, just woke up because we caught a shark. A shark. Oh, no, it's a brim. Sorry, guys. I thought it was a shark. Give it a kiss. Give it a kiss. Give it a kiss. Caught a fish, mate. Shark.
Give it a kiss, we'll throw him back in.
Άντε ρε βλάκα, βάλ' το μέσα εδώ.
That was good. I like that. I didn't like a give it a kiss. Put it in there, mate.
That's what? That's number three? Number three.
Number 3, guys. Number 3. Fish that is here.
Name Jerome. Mate, you know tongue's out.
Huh?
Tongue's out, mate.
Yeah, I'm trying to get a suntan on it. Suntan.
Oh, clown. You gonna leave it out?
Yeah, I'm waiting for your brown.
Round tongue.
Μην κάθεσαι σε αυτό το distance γιατί αυτή την ώρα αρχίζω και κλάνω,
Τα κάνει! Are we on or what? Nothing? Τίποτα?
Μόνο ένα ψάρι.
Μόνο ένα ψάρι. Only one fish, guys. One fish only. Nothing here today, guys. Nothing.
Look at that time we brought the clam on too.
Nothing, guys. Down here, look at that. Nothing at all, mate. Nothing at all. Just a bit of seaweed. Not even.
It's not nothing at all.
vegetarians?
I got the seaweed.
Well, at least we got the seaweed, guys. And let's have some sushi.
Sushi.
Sushi? Who's up for some sushi?
No, thank you.
Yeah? No, why not?
No.
Sushi's actually quite nice. I like sushi. Alright, guys.
Something you don't know?
We'll get back to you after the break, alright, guys? Alright, guys, we're down here now. Fishing adventures. I'll turn the music down a little bit here. Right, let's just turn the camera over there. There's a fish here already. See this fish? Can you see it? We're just waiting. Can you see the rod? Yeah, you can see the rod. It's just nibbling a little bit. Oh, there we go. It's taking a bite. It's taking. Oh, he's on, guys. He's on. He's on. Yeah. Which Yorgo? He's on, guys. It's a shark. It's a massive one. Look at the rod tip.
It's not bad size.
See, they're not bad size, guys. Not bad size. Quick, get the net. Get the net.
What net, Red?
You're a freak.
Where do I find
He's a freak. I think I'm sunburned, guys. Sunstroke. You're a snot. Sunstroke.
Yeah, Dad, that's a good size. You can see it in the water, though.
Oh, it's a shark! Oh, it's a shark! Sorry. He's on, he's on, he's on.
Από εδώ το πιάνουν πρώτα και το φέρνουν από εδώ.
Can you see that, guys? It was a shark.
Σιγαρίδα.
I know, it's a brim, it's a brim.
Yeah.
Maybe 4-5 kilos, guys, 4-5 kilos.
Τόση ώρα μέσα στο νερό. No worries.
Πόσο
Γιατί
κιλά,
δεν έχει current,
πόσο κιλά νομίζεις?
Το αγκίστρι είναι εδώ, δεν το βλέπεις, το κοκκινό. See? Έλα, εγώ το βλέπω, εσύ δεν το...
So how many kilos, guys? πόσο κιλά νομίζεις?
Κάτσε καλά ρε.
Με το αγκίστρι ή χωρίς το αγκίστρι?
With the hook. Down here with DJ Georgia Adventures and the Flores family. The Flores team, not the family. Half that family's at home and the other half's here on the boat.
That's right, they're getting ready to cook the fish.
Out here on Father's Day. And George's sunstroke. Oh, yes!
Βάσταγε το ψάρι ρε.
I've got him, he's not
We
going
nearly got it,
out.
guys. We nearly got the hook out. That's what I mean.
They're eating the fish together.
What was that, Chris?
Nothing.
He's not.
He's not.
Is there any way we can tickle him so he can throw it up?
I'll tickle the fish from the bottom. Dentist, the guy's a professional dentist.
Σπάσε κάνα δόντι ρε.
He's got root canal. Oh, that's it, done. He's alright, mate.
Mikey, hey, you see it? It's right there, though.
I can see it, ρε Γιώργο. Το θέμα δεν είναι. Πρέπει να δεις από πού έχει γίνει χούκτα, από ποια μεριά έχει.
Guys, we'll get back to you on the next fish.
Στο μεταξύ έχουμε
We've got to get this, mate. We've got to amputate this guy's face. Guys, we're on over here. Oh, it's a flathead. Oh, yes.
Θα βοηθήστε με, δεν μπορώ έτσι.
Flatheads are slippery, eh?
Crazy up here, guys. Crazy.
Baby shark.
Προσέχετε με το φλάχετε,
Yeah.
Εντάξει, το έχουμε θείο. We've got the flathead.